Did you recently move to Washington and want to register your vehicle? Or maybe you're a current resident looking to renew your vehicle registration. We've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the vehicle registration process in Washington State. First, let's go to dmvgo.com for detailed information on vehicle registration in Washington. DMVGo is the largest and most trusted resource for DMV services, forms, and more. Once on the website, scroll down to find the section on vehicle registration. Here you'll find valuable information such as registering a vehicle in Washington, vehicle registration for new residents, renewing your registration, and more. Let's start with registering a vehicle in Washington. You'll need to gather a few important documents. Make sure you have proof of identity, a completed vehicle title application form, proof of vehicle ownership, and payment for registration fees. Visit your local Department of Licensing office to submit the completed form and required documents. Once submitted, you must pay the registration fees based on factors such as vehicle type, weight, and location. Remember, it's important to have valid car insurance, although it may not be required during registration. After completing the registration process and paying the fees, you'll receive your official vehicle registration. And there you have it, a simple process to register your vehicle in Washington State. Enjoy the journey with peace of mind. For more detailed information and resources, visit dmvgo.com.